Hey everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. I'm so excited to share with you this 24-inch gold mirror by Sunniry. It's absolutely stunning. First, the design is simple yet elegant. The round shape with the sleek gold metal frame gives a modern and timeless look. It's not too flashy, but it definitely adds a touch of style wherever you put it. I love that it's so versatile. You can hang it in your bathroom, hallway, living room, or even in your bedroom. Wherever you place it, it instantly brightens up the space and makes the room feel bigger and more open. The quality feels really solid too. The metal frame is sturdy, the glass is clear with no distortion, and it comes ready to mount. It's lightweight enough to hang easily, but strong enough to last. Mirrors are such an easy way to decorate without spending a fortune. This one makes your home feel more inviting and polished. You're going to love it. So, if you're looking for a mirror that's stylish, well made, and works in almost any room, this gold round mirror is definitely a great pick. And that's just my point of view.